This lawn is in Arlington, Texas. It used to be a St. Augustine lawn. The grass died. The recommendation? Plant Zoysia because it handles shade. That advice sounds good, but isn't the whole story. Zoysia is more shade tolerant than Bermuda, but it's not shade proof. And it's not a shade grass. If there isn't enough sunlight, Zoysia will thin out too. Here's the second problem. This lawn was planted right over Virginia buttonweed, common Bermuda, nutsedge, and other perennial weeds. Those weeds should have been sprayed out before the new sod was installed. They weren't. Now they're growing right through the new Zoysia. The homeowner wanted one grass type. Instead, she's fighting the hardest weeds to control in North Texas. Bad advice is expensive. Now she'll likely lose most of the St. Augustine in heavy shade. And the areas that do survive are already being overrun by perennial weeds that should have been eliminated before planting. If you're a landscaper in North Texas, please stop telling people Zoysia is the answer to shade. The right answer is to determine why the lawn had failed in the first place. Sometimes the best solution isn't a different grass. Sometimes it's reducing shade, changing the landscape, or accepting that turf simply won't grow there. Good decisions start before the sod is even delivered. I'm Aaron Sheehan with Grow Lawn. Thanks for watching.